One of the biggest complaints of pellet grills that we've seen across the market is not enough flavor, not enough smoke. The new smoke box adds a whole nother dimension to the flavor that you can put into whatever you're cooking in this XXL. Pull that drawer out, add wood chunks, wood chips, even charcoal to that. So you carry the convenience of the pellet grill while still using that smoke box. We've got a new feature added to this. It works with the smoke box. It's the fan mode. It's a way to cold smoke things, cheese, even jerky, fish. I've seen a lot of people do almonds, cashews, things like that as well. When we talk about capacity, that's pretty obvious. Over 2,400 square inches of cooking capacity inside this thing and over 5,700 cubic inches of total volume. So this chamber is huge. It comes with 7 racks. You've got the ability to cook a bunch of things in here. It comes with 4 standard racks, 3 of the jerky racks, and 12 of the sausage hooks. When it comes to convenience, nothing beats a pellet grill. This is pellet driven. So we've got a controller there that controls the auger, moving those pellets into that chamber. With the PID controller, it regulates that temperature even better than grills past. It's a 30-pound hopper for those longer cooks. So if you're going to throw something on there, it's going to be on there a while, let it go. The 2 included probes work out very nicely if you've got pork butts, briskets, chicken, something like that in there. Plug those in. The controller is also Wi-Fi compatible. So make sure you download that free campchef app on your phone to keep tabs on what's going on with the grill and also inside the grill. Another thing that really kind of helps keep the temperature in there, keeps the smoke in there and everything regulated, is the dual wall insulated door there. So it keeps that heat in there. It's going to keep that temperature more consistent and really a much better product as far as when that food inside of there is done. We changed the industry years ago when we introduced our patented ash clean out, and it still is in our line. All right, also included is a side shelf, because anybody that's ever cooked outside knows you always wish you had an extra hand or an extra set of hands. 4 casters on the bottom of it, super easy to move in and out, move around. So if you're looking for better flavor, which we know we all are, if you're looking for more convenience, and if you're looking for more capacity, there's nothing better on the market than the XXL Pro. For more information, go talk to your local dealer or ask somebody there on the sales floor to help you out. The XXL Pro is the answer to all your outdoor cooking needs.